Hi guys, today we're doing an easy way to get money. Copy what I do. Done. But first, save it without honeycomb.
Oh, to the moon!
Then every time you load it, you just place the honey block and launch. If you don't understand, do this after loading.
Now we shall launch.
Jump and move in the direction you want to go. This makes it very easy to make gold. With perfect timing, you can make over 1,000 gold in 1 hour or more. This round was over 20 seconds to 30. Now you can get your gold. Be careful because you can glitch easily. Easy. You will probably get 40-60 gold per go. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want, you can like and subscribe. Have an awesome rest of your day.